Hello everyone. Today we are playing more Budget Cats. And as we left off, we are now here.
Fear failure? Is that
Hey, I'm not a failure. You are. I'm a teleport up there.
Start again at the bottom of someone else's company.
Last episode, we have made it here.
Right?
Hey, what you looking at? What? I lost all my stuff. I'm gonna go back. Oh, I can't. Alright, so vent place. Why is there music? Do they see me? Oh yeah, there's... Oh, darts. The perfect weapon. Go in here. Alright, I'm gonna drop this. Go up here. What is over here? Oh! Okay. I'm gonna go back over here now, thank you. Ooh, I could possibly get a snipe on him. Is he gonna open that door? Or is he gonna open this door? Is there someone right there? Oh, hi. Wait, I'm over here. Hey, lost and found.
Yes. How may I help you?
Hi. I'm being generous today. You. What's it doing? Wait, can I? It goes through him. Hi. Phone call. It won't let me make a phone call. Alright. Crap! He's gonna... Oh, okay. Is he gonna come over here? Yes, he is. Whew. I want him to walk in. Well, he backed up. Alright. I want to see if I can airstrike him. He went through the wall! See you? Oh, what?
Is someone there?
No, is someone there? Like,
Searching for source of noise.
is he still there? What the? What in the world? He was still there. There is no way. How? I thought the coast was clear. He was up there during the portal. The like video. Blah, 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 blah. Budget cuts. a minute. Boom. Alright, we're back. Alright, yep, zero stuff.
Don't fear failure. As I like to say,
Darts. Gimme, gimme, gimme.
someone else's company. And who wants to work anywhere other than try and score?
Crap. I'm ready. Why is it there? Now he's gonna open the door.
Locating fault. What was that?
There's two of them.
Locating disturbance.
Why is he looking? Is he looking where I am?
By attack. The life form must be nearby. Search.
Oh, snap! I'm gonna go over here because I believe I'm safe over here. Now, let me check. They're still here.
Human life form no longer detected.
Let me check over here. This who? See- Yeah, I believe we still.
It is all here. Everything you have ever wanted.
Ed Frost. Okay. I am complete. Okay, he's. Oh. Go! Think I can get up there. Oh, there's another. I think I can do this if I just. I'm gonna grab a dart. Gonna look. I'm crouching right now. Oh, I'm looking. I want him to come like right here. So then I can, yeah, come closer. Come on. I know you want to get over. Did I miss? Yeah, he's gonna check.
Searching for irregular activity.
Is he checking over here? I think he is. Let me. Okay, no, we're good. Let's go back a little. Where did I drop the dart? Oh, it's right there. Let's see. Where would that put me? Put me right here. Gets me to the same spot. Aim it. Aim it. Same spot. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna teleport down. Get back up. You're gonna... Okay, no. I have 2 more. Woo! 1 more. Is he checking? Oh, crap.
Investigating suspicious noise.
He's going over here. Or not.
Searching for noise source.
Where?
Noise source unclear.
He's over here.
Post.
Forward. Oh, he's right there. Oh. Be silent. Oof. Alright, that was my last weapon. Now I'm gonna...
Post.
And he's like over there. Up here?
Who would do this?
Who would do what, huh? Who would do what? Yep. Just don't look up. Just don't look up.
Located robot killer.
I am not a robot killer. I'm a human. I mean, you literally are the future. Is he over there? Cause oh snap! Will he know if I teleport right now? I think he would. Yeah. Nope, nope, nope. I'm gonna be right here. Yes! Whew! Alright, we're back here. Is there any weapons? Come on. Toilet paper. What if I chuck this at him? First, I'm gonna test it. My boy. Okay, no, it would do nothing. I'm gonna go through. Come on. Yep. One weapon, one kill. Is he? Okay, now. This time I actually need to go in for the kill. I'm a check. Oh. Will he open the door? Hold up. That. Okay. I'm a duck. What's he gonna do? Is he gonna check? Guess not. Nope. Yes. Alright. They're gone. Oh.
Today's words to live by come thanks to Adam from HR.
He's gone. Mission. Make a phone call. Alright. Is all of them dead? Think I killed all of them. No, I didn't. Go. Go. What is this? Oh, scanning? Here. What? What? Oh. Okay. Make a phone call. Alright. What do I hear someone? Alright. 3652. Oh. 3 6 pt2.
We have got to get hold of that virus floppy disk.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah.
if you're having trouble, there should be some information on its whereabouts on her desk.
Okay.
I can't remember exactly which sub-department April worked under, but her surname was Singleton. April Singleton.
April
So you
Singleton.
should be able to find her desk from that.
Okay.
Stay safe.
Alright. Okay. So, production department. April Singleton desk. I don't know. Virus. Winter. Okay. So, let's go. Keycard. I don't have one. Counting, dining hall. It. Just it. Dang, that looks creepy. Logic to marketing, security. Okay. So I have to find a key card. That's cool. Alright. Key card. Need to find a key card. Boom. Bah. Okay, we'll be in here. Okay. That means I'm gonna have to check. I mean check. Everywhere. Okay, is it under the desk? No. Under the chair? Oh. That's inconvenient. Alright. Oh. Nope. This check. Oh, is that a drone? Yo! You looking cool. Okay. Where to go? He's going to security. What is over here? Oh. Perfect. To avoid those drone guys. Oh, did I just hear one? It sounds so cute. Oh. Yeah, there's two. Okay, great. Okay. Is there a light switch at least? Because light is dark. Pierce. Ernest Pierce. April switch places with me. Okay, so we're not supposed to be here. Crap. With the drone, too? Is this the next room? No, that's not. Oh, crap. Okay. So crap. I heard a drone. I heard the drone. I heard the drone. What is the drone gonna do though? Every day is taco day? No, it's not. What? Okay, is the drone here? I'm gonna keep my eye out. Every day a taco day. Did you know every day a taco day? Yeah. Drone. I need to be worried about the drone. Because I keep hearing them. Am I ready to go? Crap. Bobby Fields. I hear one. Copy room. Marketing. Matthews. Drone.
Hickory dickory dock. Redheads don't wash the clock. Neither should you. So remember, Ethan's here at Transfer Look. Very good on your yearly review sheet.
Get back up. Nope. What was that drone gonna do? Alright, I'm gonna go back over here. And I'll try to Ernest Pierce. April switch places with me. Ernest. Cool. We'll go over here. I wanna know where the drone is so I don't get caught. And that security room, what in the world? Copy. Where is that drone? I want to know. Where in the world is the drone? What the? I'm gonna keep looking. Check again. Room. Marketing. I think I'm clear. I'm just gonna keep looking. Because I need to know where that drone is. Where in the world is the drone? Find April Singleton's desk. Well, I'm trying. Can I see myself? Wait. Okay, yeah, no, I can't. I need to know where. I want to hear that. I don't hear it. What? Gonna go over here. Go back up here. I hear another drone. Oh, now we are here.
Sign up at the HR Center now. And please, do responsibly.
There are multiple drones I see. Oh god. I don't know how I'm gonna be sneaky now. Over here? Oh, snap! Is he gonna be out now? Why did I do that? Holy! Is he here? Oh crap, he's out. Why? Why did I just make my chances of dying 100%? Can I see myself? Again, I want to see myself. Hi? No, okay. Whoop. I think the desk is here because we have drones always lurking here. I want to go see where the security guy is. Yeah, I know, he's chilling again. Make a phone call. 1024. 1024. 1024. 1024. 1024. 1024. I'm gonna die. There's two of them lurking here. What just happened? Did he just take a photo of me? Going to the security. Why is... Oh, the drone got the security. Okay. Is he going back? Oh, yep, he's back. Okay, I'm free. Every time he lurks, there's another one. Yep. The other ones are, yep. He's gonna... Go back. Go back. Because now he's gonna go get security. I'm gonna go back over here to check. Security, you back? Okay. Yes, he is. Take a seat. I'm free to go back down.
Supervising area.
Whew. Yep. Where in the world did the drone go? Okay, yep. He snitched. Now I know it's not in there, so I'm free to go back out. I'm gonna wait on them, so then I can move areas.
Performing primary directive.
Woo! Just don't know where to go. That's security.
Anomalous humans will be processed with extremeness.
That accounting? Need to know. Security, logistics. I think I need to get to logistics. Okay, so I am there. Okay, we'll make it easy. Go back over here, check. Okay, I'm gonna make the full phone call. 1024. 1024.
You know, it just hit me. April's virus. I bet it's in the showroom vault. Yeah.
Really?
Everything fancy and lethal. I'm sure it's totally safe and not dangerous at all.
Oh, come
To get
on.
there, you'll need that level 4 access card on her desk that I totally didn't know you'd find.
Come
see ya.
on. Alright. I need to get level 4 key card that is secured with the robots. I need to head to the showroom floor, get level 4 key card from April's desk, and still find your desk. I still don't know where it is. It's not in the copy room. Goodbye. You didn't take picture. What in the world?
Overseeing office efficiency.
Dude, that always scares me when he says the voice line. I'm gonna go back over here now. Alright, Ernest Pierce. Switched with April. I still don't know. Wanna... think I need to make it, I don't know about marketing, security, or logistics. Make it over there.
I don't always let my guard down. I never do.
Nope. Alright, I'm going. Where is he? Is he gonna go?
Protecting restricted area.
Stuck to security. I'm gonna watch the drone. What's up? Guess not. The drone's not. I guess he didn't get the photo. Nice. I have a feeling that the desk is here. Because there's multiple drones guarding here.
Trespassers will be eliminated.
Nope. See ya. Over there, maybe? I'll check. I need to find April. April Singleton. April Singleton. Can't find it. Hey, everybody, it's my fault.
Off my spot. This is my spot. Stay off my spot.
I think I need to make it back. Back up. Back down. Is he stuck? No, okay. He's like, I swear I saw someone. Dang, is he gonna go all the way up where I am? Like, dang.
I watch all the things. I see all the things. I shoot all the things. Everything seems quiet. Maybe too quiet.
Is he stuck?
Overseeing office efficiency.
See? Did he get the photo? Yo, bro, that's a little too close. Dude! You don't have to be typing on the computer like that. Dang. Keep checking. Again, I still don't know. Where in the world is it?
Everything seems
Nope, not here. 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 Not here.
directive. Keep watch for uninvited guests.
Is it? Okay. I just don't know. I swear, if it's over here. Okay. No, okay. Check more. Check, check, checkity check. Go here. Go back here. We're just gonna do the same stuff, repeat. But I just don't know. Is it really in the copy room? Whew. Still gonna check. Cause like I've been looking everywhere. Bum 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 bum. Nowhere to be seen. I swear I'm a scaredy cat. Cause I swear he could just take my photo and then the guy can just come in, open the door, then I'm dead. Whew. I just don't know, guys. You know, I'm gonna end the video here. Sorry, but like and subscribe. I'm gonna do this off camera so I can actually get past this. But bye.